Meaning of debating.
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 Debating. Debating refers to the act of discussing and arguing opposing viewpoints on a particular topic. The goal of debating is to persuade others to accept your perspective by presenting logical reasoning and evidence. A successful debate involves presenting strong arguments, effectively countering your opponent's points, and delivering a convincing conclusion. The end result of debating can range from a win-lose outcome to a compromise or mutual agreement. Debating can help individuals develop critical thinking skills, improve their communication abilities, and broaden their perspectives on various issues.